Hey everyone, so welcome to our very first vlog. So for today, we're gonna go to Bangkok. So currently, we are here at Naiya 1 and we are going to fly via Philippine Airlines. I will be with my partner who's currently ordering our food right now. So we are here at the Little Floor. It's actually a restaurant under Wildflower. They have so many really good pastries that I really wanted to try. But I'm kind of hungry, so I got a double ride. This will actually be my second time in Bangkok, and I'm very, very excited to go shopping and try the food again. So it's currently Friday, and tomorrow the first itinerary will be at Chatuchak. So I'm very, very excited to do shopping again because the last time I went to Bangkok, I was with my mom and my dad, and we had a really great time exploring the place, so I wanted to take my boyfriend there. I hope you enjoy this vlog, and let's see you. Bye. So nandito na kami sa gate namin. Dumiretso na kami pumila because we didn't know boarding na pala kami. So, we just boarded. We're just waiting for the plane to leave.
Going to
We're going to...
Japan. Hindi pa ba?
Hey everyone! So, welcome to Bangkok! So, we finally just landed. We went through immigration and we just got our luggage. So, medyo kinabahan kami kasi we thought na nawala na yung bag niya.
Safe and
How
sound
do you
naman siya.
feel?
Okay lang. Safe and sound naman. Akala ko bibili na ako ng panibagong wardrobe eh. Pero okay na.
Yay!
Let's go.
So, all this time, nandun pala siya na naka-unload na doon. So, wala na siya sa conveyor.
Correct.
Kaya kinakabahan, sige, I'll bring this na. Kaya kinakabahan kami kasi we thought na wala na yung bag niya. Eh, sobrang generic pa naman nung itsura ng bag niya. Hey everyone! So, we just arrived at our hotel. So, ito siya ngayon. So, we're currently staying here at the Quarter Safankoy. The room is very, very spacious. I specifically chose this because I wanted enough space, especially kapag magpapack na kami ng gamit pa uwi. There's like a little luggage area right here, and there's a sofa right there. And then, of course, it's the bed, and then there's like a little working nook right here where he's currently working. And why are you working? Ayan. And then, this is the mini bar area. Of course, the fridge. We have the safe right here. Then, of course, the closet. Medyo malaki din yung closet nila, which is nice. Ayan. Enough space for the both of us. And then, this is the bathroom. And then, this is the shower area. And we also have a full body mirror right here. This is my day 1 fit. So we're currently here at the Safankoy BTS station. So we stopped for a quick bite kasi medyo gusto namin ng snacky snack.
I got this watermelon drink, then something chocolate pastry lang. It's a cute little pastry lang. Ta-da! House of Little Bunny.
Hi guys, so we are currently at the Siam Food Court. It's, as mentioned, it's one of my favorite places here in the Siam area. So this is our first meal here in Thailand. So I got the crab fried rice from Here High. It's that store right there. And my baby got his
Tom
tom
yum.
yum.
Soup.
And we just got some drinks from Chatramu.
Chatramu.
He got his tom yum noodle right there. Yeah. So, how was your first meal here in Thailand?
Sarap. Actually, nung punta tayo dito sa food court, I'm really looking for tom yum noodles or pad thai. Nakakita ko tom yum noodle. Actually, yung tom yum, masarap siya. Hindi ko lang na-note na less spicy or no spicy at all. Pero it's really good. And it's my first time eating tom yum with noodles in it. Then, natakam kasi ako dun sa kaharap namin. Kumakain sila ng Hainanese chicken. So, si Boy napa-order din. So, eto, currently, nakain ako ngayon ng chicken rice. And ano lang to, this is all 95.
We weren't supposed to eat this early because we had 2 meals na. Before we boarded, we ate sa Little Floor. Sa flight, meron palang kasamang meal yung na-book namin. Nung pagka-land namin, sabi namin busog pa kami. Pero nung nag-iikot na kami sa taas kanina, sabi niya like, I could eat right now. So sabi ko sa kanya, okay sige, dadalhin na kita sa isa sa mga favorite food courts ko dito.
She will
So,
approve.
this is only our first half day pa lang. And na-overwhelm na kami sa mga nangyayari.
Shoutout lang sa nanay ko, ma, kung hindi man na magsha-shopping, magpapataba lang ako tayo. Okay, so we got this. Food trip pa rin ako ngayon. So this is the chocolate bun. Food trip. Mukha siyang ano ba yan? Yung mga box ng mga inhaler. Pero it's good. Look at this. Papatakamin kita. Oh my gosh. Mamaya ka sa akin. Basically bread roll siya na may filling. So this one is chocolate.
Is it good? It's messy lang.
Wanna try? Sige, salo. Oh my gosh. Sarap, no?
I hate you.
Sarap.
I didn't wanna eat.
And 30 pesos, 30 baht lang yun.
It's not sweet at all.
Hindi siya sweet. That's the thing. That's why it's so good. It's not sweet at all. Okay, so na-conquer niya na yung isa. Basta, sarap, no? Hindi mo ito tinry dati, no?
I didn't even know it existed.
Well, akala ko kasi, alam mo yung typical sa Philippines na, akala ko siya, yung parang pancake. Ganon. Tapos nagulat ako, ano siya? Dinner roll. Sabi ko lang, parang monay. So, this one naman is coffee milk. Try mo na yung sauce.
Is it good?
Okay lang.
I like this better.
I like it talaga, di mo nga tinirhan eh. Weekend market.
Hey guys, so we're currently here at Chatuchak and we've already gotten our first, not really big purchase, but something that we really like. So this is actually the shop that we've been looking forward to going kasi Gian and I, medyo nahihilig kami sa perfumes ngayon. Actually, more of him. So, we got one from Chum Chum. So, this is the shop. This is actually a local brand of Bangkok. So, they have a lot of choices for you to look forward to. So, there's spices and herbs, floral and powdery, aquatic and woody, and green and earthy. So far, everything that I've tried is very, very good. I really like most of them. And in fact, I actually got 2 boxes. He also got 2 boxes rin. See? The packaging is also really nice. So if you want to give it to your loved ones, to your friends, this might be the perfect gift for you. Thank you!
So, it's my turn sa camera. Currently, damage. Si Ces ay namimili pa ng pasalubong dito sa dried fruits and shit. Yan. And most definitely, babalik kami dito sa Chatuchak tomorrow dahil we're getting some orders ng mga pasabay. So, Chatuchak na siya.
Pasalubog na ako sa office.
Ah.
You guys, bulk na lang kayo.
So,
I want to spend more money on myself because I'm that selfish. Charon.
so, ang bigat na ng ano ko.
Ay, baby, hindi na siya kasha.
Dito yan, ano. Sa loob. So, rule of thumb, kapag mag-Chatuchak ka, kailangan naka big bag. And you need to have a lot of cash with you kasi majority of the stores here only accept cash. Bira sila mag-card dito. So, yun. Boy, puno ko na yung Nike ko. Puno na siya. Ay, shucks. Let's go.
Hey guys, so time check. It is 1:28 p.m. here in Bangkok. So we're still here in Chatuchak. We're gonna cut the day short and just come back tomorrow kasi it's only Saturday and it's open din naman tomorrow. So we're still gonna shop for half a day in Chatuchak, but we're just gonna explore the other side and maybe get a few snacks kasi he hasn't tried any pa. Ayun. So I just got some mango shake cause it's so hot. Cargador check. So those are all the things that we bought today. Just today. Half day lang. Guys, it's been so crazy. Yes?
Nakanapan ko si Lola.
Maliit.
Late na eh.
Patama pa rin naman kahit dumaan tayo sa kabila. Here oh, because it's the food section na yata eh. Yes! Guys, it's so hot. Alam mo, sobrang buti na lang. Nagdala ako ng cooling spray and cooling wipes. Because if not, magiging bugnutin na naman to.
Actually, to be fair, hindi ganun kasakit yung init. Unlike kapag sa ano, tama lang.
Mm.
Hindi ganun super lakas sakit yung init niya. Mainit, yes, but sucks lang. Doesn't hurt.
I feel like getting some food to eat. Do you wanna eat?
Pwede, yeah.
So, do you wanna eat here?
No. Standing lang.
Mm. Oh my God. Hello.
One lemon.
中部可以咬完吃。
Ooh.
Up. tamang food trip lang. Ito yung meron namin. I got 2 skewers ng chicken, 2 skewers ng pork, and lemon salt juice. Tap ng pork. Then this one is chicken naman. Yan.
I got some shrimp and some crab. This one is like crab sticks. I didn't get any sauce because I usually eat it like this. I like that.
Okay. Sub na ako. I'm good. I just want to roam around.
How's your experience?
Okay lang, maganda siya. It's kind of overwhelming, pero
You didn't expect it by penny, no?
ewan ko, I think I already bought like 5 shirts.
He bought a lot more than me.
Yeah.
Which is funny. Kasi I really thought I'd be broke by now. Pero surprisingly, mas marami pa siyang nabili kaysa sa akin. This is why I love Chatuchak. I love Bangkok so much. You can buy so many things at such an affordable price and reasonable price as well. Although, medyo may kamahalan na siya. Depende actually sa budget nyo. But like, generally, everything here is very, very, affordable. Which is, ayan na, pinakpak na niya. Guys, grabe. Sobrang dami naming nabili. Ang budget ko lang for today ay 5,000 baht. So, naka-buying ban na ako after I spent 5,000 baht here in Chatuchak. But, the thing is, kind of funny because bumili kami ni Gian ng perfume sa Chom Chom kanina, diba? Hindi ko siya kinount. So, technically, I still have 2,000 baht left. Yan na. So,
Pinakpak ko na, hindi na kaya ng balikat ko yung bigat ng bag.
we are on our second ikot. Right, baby?
Yes, I wanna go to the vintage clothes thing.
Yeah, it's nasa, ayun nga, yung bangso eh. Eto, dyan kami kumain nila mami dati. Masarap dyan, sa tofu. How are you?
I'm okay. Come on. Sale.
Wow! Oh my God, ate! Oh my God, I'm gonna send this to Ate Vanessa.
Sexist ako.
翻啲碗壓得到變嘅。
Hey, oh my God, look at this. It's so cute. But this is a t-shirt. You guys should visit this store. Hey guys, so pabalik muna kami sa hotel ngayon. So again, we took Mukni. Ayan. Because we need to drop off the things and then we decided to go back na lang sa Chatuchak tomorrow because we were so overwhelmed.
Bag check. Napuno siya.
Punong-puno na siya. Eh, kahit ito, hindi na namin siya malagay. So, ayun. Hi! So, we're currently back here at the hotel kasi we wanted to refresh for a little bit. And then, we'll go to Tofu Skincare and the Pretonam area later. So, medyo mabigat na kasi yung dala ni Gian kanina. Kaya ngayon, nag-review kami.
Medyo.
Oh, sorry naman. Sorry naman. Kaya ngayon, ano na kami, nire-review na namin kung ano ba yung mga pinagbibili namin because sobrang bigat na ng dala niya. Kawawa ka naman.
Dapat lang.
Baby,
Hello.
you're so kawawa. Yan. That's only half of everything that we bought. Kasi meron pa. Ito pa. Sorry, makalat to kasi. Tinry ko siya. It's a really cute dress. By the way, I only got that for 150 baht. Aside from that, there's also another plastic pa there. And then, ayun pa yung nabili namin na perfume sa Chom Chom. And then, meron pa dito sa bag. So, yun. Medyo malaki-laki ang damage ng Chatuchak, but we're still gonna be back tomorrow to buy a few more things kasi hindi pa doon nagtatapos ang aming Chatuchak trip. Anyway, so I'm gonna take a really quick shower lang and then we're gonna leave in about siguro 30 minutes. So, yun lang.
What's up, bro? So, pupunta tayo ngayon sa Tofu Skincare. At mamimili siya. Siya yung mamimili. Yung babaeng yun, no? Parang hindi kami kakagaya ng Chatuchak Weekend Market kanina. Then, we're just waiting for the train to come. Ganda-gandaan na naman po yan siya. Yeah, papunta kami Tofu Skincare ngayon. And we're in the Ratcapewi area. Kapag nakakas... Ratcapewi pala, Ratcapewi. Kasama ko. Eh, puro kaganda-gandahan. Ang tagal mo.
Kita kasi talaga ng base ko, sobrang worth it na nabudol ako ni ate. Hey guys, so we're currently here at Tofu Skincare. So we've actually been here for about 1 to 2 hours already. And we've been so overwhelmed kasi sobrang daming products that you can buy here. So we're currently at the 3rd floor. Girl, parang isang oras pa lang, first floor, ganong level sa sobrang daming products talaga. And I'm very, very happy and overwhelmed kasi more gastos for me and more shopping. Here is the current situation of my cart. Actually, it's not that bad naman. Unti lang yan. Tingnan natin kung makakamagkano ako. Kasi all of those are mine. Actually, siguro meron akong mga ilang items na pangpasalubong ko. But siguro mga 4 items lang yun. Kasi ang binilan ko pa lang ng mga pasalubong ay my girlies. Let me give you a very, very brief tour of Tofu Skin. Hey everyone, so we're currently here at 7-Eleven for a quick stop. So we just finished shopping sa Tofu Skincare and I'm kind of tired and hungry. Now, so while we are figuring out where to eat, nag-stop muna kami 7-Eleven kasi nagsisearch pa kami kung saan masarap kumain ngayon. I figured I wanted to try the banana chocolate drink that is currently, trending sa TikTok. Let's pour in the chocolate first. By the way, this is a total of 51 baht. This one pala is banana caramel flavored. Yeah, sobrang liit ng nakuha kong straw. Lasang chocolate, but more so because hindi ko pa siya nahalo ng maayos. It's good. I like it. Hey guys, so we're currently here at the Platinum Mall. Actually, nasa labas kami. So, we're just gonna grab some quick dinner. So, eto siya. We were supposed to eat sa Central World, kaso medyo malayo kasi. Kaya, dito ko na lang dinala si Gia. Ayan. So, we got one of this. And then, also one of that. And then, we also got this ear-fried noodles. And we also got the fried rice.
Ang sarap ng ano ko, no? Kapag... Sabi na gastos na. Day 1 pa lang, ha? Mamimili pa ba tayo sa mga susunod na araw?
No.
Para mag-food trip na lang ako. Okay na ako. Puro tour na lang. Ikaw, mag-shopping ka ba?
Pag may nakita.
Ako rin, pag may nakita na lang. Okay na
Ay,
ako.
wait lang. May isa pa ako. Actually, dalawa. Oh, actually, tatlo. Platinum Mall, December's, and Pratunam. Yun na lang. Kasi hindi ko naikot yung Pratunam before. But I just wanted to check what's there. Kaya I wanna go.